Hi, everybody. It's Susan and Dastardly Doolittle and the boss with Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. Oh, and here comes Deuce McKenzie. Guys, we have no idea what is within 3 packages that have just arrived. We knew without the labeling that this one was heavy, that's for sure. Or at least the boss did, because he's the one that carried them in. And it was such a nice surprise because I was in another part of the house and I walked here into the living room. Hi, Julie Newmar. Oops, she dashed right on by. Yay! Litter, and I really, really, really needed it. No kidding, I had like 1 scoop left. Oh, and like it says on the back of that delivery of the litter box, don't forget to subscribe to Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. You got a struggle there, boss?
I can't get the handle.
Can't get the handle to come up? Get on it, Julie Newmeyer. Hi, pretty girl. Okay, so just in time, 2 awesome boxes of kitty cat litter. No. Okay, no card. Okay, so Arm & Hammer, Ultra Last, long-lasting odor control clumping litter unscented. I've never tried the Arm & Hammer, so I'm kind of excited to try it. Dewey. I don't know why it said on the side of the box, battery. You don't need a battery to make the litter work. So anyway, guys, it's Saturday. The boss is off from his regular job. But he did go this morning over to our artist friend's house and hook up a hot water water heater. The boss reminds me.
New ducky.
A new ducky? Kitty's got a new duck.
Ultra pet carpet.
Ultra pet carpet cleaner. I love it. What are the... If it's a real name, remember not to say it. Or just say the first name. But that should be the one that this one should be the one. To the boss and Susan at Furry Feline Monster. Oh, it's from Down Under with Love, our Aussie friend. Flapping, quacking duck, cat toy. My very favorite, I don't know, but it's my very favorite. Or maybe I put it on the Amazon wish list. I can't remember now. Oh, this is great. Thank you, Down Under with Love. Or at least I assumed that, there was no, we don't know who this one was from. What is...
More kitty litter.
Oh my goodness, you guys, you can't imagine. Seriously, I really, really, really needed this. Okay, so the boxes always get one more box. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Saturday. Although for Down Under with Love, I feel like it's probably Sunday now. I'm not sure exactly of the difference, but pretty sure it would be Sunday for her because it's Saturday mid-afternoon for us. But nonetheless, hope that everyone is having a really wonderful weekend. The boss got caught in a thunderstorm and we're about to have another one. Is it another baby duck?
2 duckies.
I had my finger in front of the lens. Another baby duck. Guys, do you remember? Viewers, subs, members, do you remember on our last live how I joked about grifting for baby ducks? And Melody Murphy was like, I don't see why you would be wanting a new one. They can still play with the one they've got. And I sang the song about I am a grifter. I'm a scammer. I'm a duck mammer jammer. So is that from Down Under It?
Say who it's from.
It doesn't say who it's from. So, from the boss and Julie Newmar, Dastardly Doolittle, Willow Wisp, and the crazy old cat lady here at Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. Julie Newmar, I think your booty's too big for the box.
You go squeeze in that little box. We got big boxes.
We've got big boxes, Julie Newmar. So, as I was saying, from DeBoss, Julie Newmar, Dastardly Doolittle, Willow Wisp, and of course, the crazy old cat lady. Thank you, Down Under with Love, and whoever else is responsible for baby ducks and cat litter. We love you all so much. Please remember to like, sub, share. See you guys the next time. We love you. Bye-bye.